Dreaming of relocating to the Dominican Republic? Whether you're moving for work, retirement, or a fresh start, understanding the costs and services available is essential. Let's explore what you need to know. International moving costs to the Dominican Republic vary based on several factors. On average, shipping a 20-foot container ranges from $795 to $855, while less than container load, LCL shipments, start at $79 per cubic meter. For household goods, costs typically range from $685 to $735. Several elements impact your moving expenses. Distance. Longer distances increase transportation costs. Volume. More items require larger containers and higher costs. Services. Additional services like packing and storage add to the price. Timing. Off-peak seasons may offer lower rates. Consider these reputable international moving companies for your move to the Dominican Republic. 3 Movers. Offers transparent pricing and no upfront deposit required. Serva. Provides comprehensive moving services with global reach. Allied Van Lines. Known for reliable and efficient international moving solutions. To keep costs down, declutter before you pack. Reduce the volume of items to move. Book midweek. Avoid weekend premiums. Compare quotes. Obtain estimates from multiple companies. Plan ahead. Schedule your move during off-peak seasons. Living in the Dominican Republic offers a vibrant lifestyle. The cost of living is approximately 40–50% lower than in North America. Monthly rent for a furnished one-bedroom apartment ranges from $400 to $800, and utilities average around $70 to $150 per month. By understanding moving costs and planning ahead, you can ensure a smooth and affordable relocation to the Dominican Republic. Thanks for watching. For more moving tips and advice, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon.